What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So Buffalo Wild Wings released their new sweet spicy chili Doritos wings, and today we're going to make those, but we're going to make them vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here, I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes they won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 cups of spicy sweet chili Doritos, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, as well as 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 12-ounce bag of bird's eye crispy cauliflower florets, a 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper. Alright, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan Doritos cauliflower wings. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.